Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to open up YouTube audio library on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open up your YouTube app on your mobile phone. Now you have to tap on below right corner of your profile icon. After tapping on it, here you have to tap on help and feedback. Now you have to search for audio library and select the first one. You just have to tap on this link, which is youtube.com audio library. It will directly redirect you to YouTube's Studio app. Now you guys can see it will redirect you to YouTube audio library. Now here you guys can see a bunch of audios, a bunch of music. You can use this in your background music and these are all copyright free. In this way you guys can get audio library on your YouTube on your Android phone. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.